Sir, welcome to the stream, everyone.
तो बंटी सूम कर ही बता देता था।
Uh, uh, I just go to my YouTube and everything is posted. My teams, my people can come and join. Yep, yep, yeah. It's all set. What's up? What's up, sir? What's up? How's it going? 9:30 opening. This is our 9:30 opening. This is. See what we get. What do we have in? We are still leaving that sell-side liquidity in indices, which is good to go short on. Right now, to go shorts, we need some sort of dragon correlation here towards the buy side. Just clear everything first and then start analyzing. Let people join. Let more people join. Just wait everywhere. Give me a second. Just yep. Let's go. Let's go. Double check if everything is running, and we will start soon. Yes. Again, is let me. Yeah, two people joined already. Nice. Make sure to hit like. Hope you guys can hear me. Yeah. So coming to today in indices, we still left this low in NQ, but he just took that low. And if we get any kind of strength switch higher, we can, I think we should be pushing lower. We don't have anything to see in, yeah, you can take trades. You can take trades if you're trading futures. Here's our 6 p.m. open, which is basically a day open. Still 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Yeah. It's our 6 p.m. Still 6 p.m. open. We need some kind of bracket correlation up here to slow. Consider the half the day is set. Right now we don't have anything here really, but let me check YM as well. We might be having something there. Maybe we don't. Uh, no, we don't have anything here as well. Now we don't have anything here. Or in YM as well. Immediately. Now we don't have anything. Right? Want to see strength switch in NQ and we can push lower. That's what I want to see. At least I need a one stage ESP or anything like that uh, to trade at 10 a.m. lower. Yeah, you can take in US 30. No worries. Just the code here and silver futures. Why am I getting silver chart? Yeah, silver futures. The daily, obviously. So what do we have? What do we have in daily? Yeah, we do have a good drawdown here daily for now at least. Let's see this now at least, and we have this changing state of delivery in daily as well. But the problem here is in gold, we are delivering off of nothing here. But if you see the silver, we are delivering from this key level, which is a fair value gap in this case. We have anything? Yeah, we do have two stage up here. Yeah, that might help us to do, get something, get some information here. If you see, we two stage. It's not a two stage, it's just one stage. It's two stage. Stage plus, exactly, it's two stage. Yeah. We need, we need some sort of Kraken correlation up here to, anticipate reversal for our, we had this yesterday. I think I saw this. It's some sort of reversal from here. That reversal, we need a Kraken correlation. Thing, I guess. Might get this PSP once we can think of, pushing more lower. from there. So it on indices. At least we should get this change in state of delivery here. We have in 30 minutes. We clear this high. We did what about why we did here as well. Yeah, a bit tricky here in indices. Let's see if we can get this closure. We don't need to worry about, drawn liquidity. We have a lot of room to trade. So yeah, this is the plan in indices. But in gold, we have to think of getting some kind of track and correlation so that we can anticipate more lower prices. What about oil? Oil, oil. Yeah, obviously oil should be pushing higher because of sentiment. 6 p.m. Yeah, this is a 6 p.m. Mhm. Yeah. Late protraction profile. Late protraction, and I would say. Because low is setting now. Again, we are not sure whether the low is setting or not because we don't have any crack and correlation, and this is bouncing from irrelevant level, but at least it should be bouncing from this week, 50%. So yet, not exactly, not exactly. We can consider that, but only after the closure of this candle, because without sweep, the closure can only help us. That is the only information what will be getting, and then we can, push higher in oil. That's a plan in oil. What about RB? Expecting the same scenario there as well. Hmm. Will you take this now? Or okay. Do have this certain correlation with RB. RB is looking great. Uh, Target these highs today, but not sure. Go through one of no, too much. We need a closure, or we can't do anything without a closure at least. I was expecting this low to be taken, and then we can look for two stage, and then we can push higher from here. Let's see. Indices need more confirmation here. Another 9 minutes. This high is cleared as well. So the only information we have right now here is go bearish is this inversion gap. That's the only information we have. Let's expect some back in correlation to get more out of it. See, way I think it's going to take a little bit more time because we need this higher time frame closure. Okay, so 1 hour is flashing. Let me see if we have the random population here. Yeah, we do have this stage. We have this two stage. Looking good so far. Two stage, change in state of delivery. Expecting a good flush down for this. Welcome everyone. Yes, seeing new people here today. Discord and in YouTube stream everywhere. So I think no one is from Brazil here, bro. Everyone, most of them are from India, and some of them are from other countries. See if we can get this closer. Excited with silver, silver, silver. Silver is just straight away pushing. Okay. If you're not getting closer, we are not touching it. At least we have got this two stage here in 1 hour. But we can't say anything right now. We need six, it's still 6 minutes are going on, so we have to wait to see that. Another 6 minutes. We don't have this 1 minute change in drop delivery here. This 1 minute change in drop delivery. What's the time? 9:50. So in another 10 minutes, I think maybe we will open the new 10 a.m. candle. So I think since it's safe idea to take here. I think I should try one notice lower straight. Let this candle complete. We need this gap. It's important. So if not now, at least it should tap on 10 a.m. open. That's what I think. Put it on a body because we have a gap here. So if we get a tap, then all good. If we don't get a tap, even that's okay. We are not going to chase price here. Put on the alert there and let it do its thing. We do have indices to trade though, so no need to worry if we don't get a tap in here. And already, even already, yeah. Let's see. Thank you for joining, guys. Soon we'll be having some giveaways this month. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Well, I think we are not going to get that. We'll wait for the name open. Not gonna rush. Right, treat rejection blocks as an internal liquidity or external liquidity. Yeah, you can treat them as internal range liquidity. Any PDAs can be treated as internal, some kind of internal liquidity. See, please. And let's see if we can fix it. If we don't get the tag, we do have this two stage, but very too bullish, I would say. But if we had the wicks, yeah, basically highs and lows. If we consider the wicks, yes, it might be some, inversions or order blocks or anything like that. So it is valid to consider them as a. If you are considering fair value caps and order blocks as the internal liquidity, it is valid to consider them as internal liquidity as well. Like for example, if you consider was analyzing something in 4 hour, right? That in gold, not in gold. I'll show you the example. Yeah, here. Look at this. Look at this candles wick here. This is also some kind of rejection block, right? So if you drop down to the 1 hour, here it is. It's order block. So if you can consider this order block as a internal liquidity or anything, then why not you can consider the rejection blocks as some sort of liquidity. That's my point. Okay, yeah. There is a draw met, not yet. Or it's not yet met. I do have a good drawdown here and a good closure as well. I think this should come and give us a tap, or else we do have we can get good trade in indices right now because of Let me show you guys. Because of this two stage in 30 minutes. This two stage in 30 minutes. Two stage. This is one stage actually. Continuation, one stage that works. We don't have a 10-minute wick there set yet. Okay. We might get tapped on gold. We should be getting that. Okay. We do have tap here. Gold. What next draw should I be targeting for? This draw is should be this draw down here. The second should be this down here. So let's see. Let's wait and get that down. Holding. Then one be getting toward here, and overall draw is here. So if I see any kind of weakness or anything, any sort of reversal near to the 2R, I will just take it out. So that's the reason I just marked it there. Let's see. What do you guys think about this setup? So it's so good if we get change the set of delivery on this 3 minute here, and we might get a re-entry there as well. Look at how precise the market is. It haven't yet got given us this change in set of delivery. So that's looking good actually. Indices. The indices, we have something here in indices. Okay, we do have this on stage in the highs. That's nice. We good to go shorts instead of longs. What's happening here in gold? Gold should look good. We take this low to go break even. Not yet. In silver, not yet. We put on alarm there. Wait, silver at least. We get to know. Yeah, bro. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬ್ರೋ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೈಟು ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನೈಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೋ ನಾನು ಜಾಬ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮೂರು ಜನ ಯಾರೋ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಡ್ರೈವಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ದು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. Something in 5 minutes. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಅನ್ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು, ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. 5 minutes. Foundation. What? Yes, not playing out what I thought, so just anyway. That is where we are right now. That's very important. This is 30 to 3 minute time framework. Okay. So we are bouncing off of, we are coming from this fair value gap, C2 closure, and we are instead of C2 10 a.m. candle, like 30 minute, 10:30 candle, maybe this is, yeah, this is, no, this is 10 a.m. candle. And this is our 10 a.m. open. So we might get closure below the 10 a.m. opening price, which is very good, which is so good. If we get closure below 10 a.m. Where's our 9:30? 36. Yeah, this is our 9:30. So now this is time to come break even, guys, because As we anticipated, we hit this draw. Okay, so I think it's safe to come break even. And this was a break even point. Okay, break even. This was a break even point, and we did get this change in state of delivery, but it should not be something like, we got change in state of delivery and manipulated these lows and, started reversing from here. I don't want to see that happening, but let's see. Everything is looking pretty good right now, but let's see if we get something. This is our actual 2 hour thing here. Let me, yeah, it takes, yeah. Make sure to like, guys. Come on, 5 watching and 4 likes. Not a big difference, but yeah, you guys can do it. Mm. I want you guys to, so go and hit that like button in YouTube. It will help me a lot. In Discord people, if possible. Yeah, we are getting that flash. Come on, gold. So this is our 2 hour. Okay, I might exit anytime once it hits 2 hour. Don't consider that I will definitely hold to this PP because I just need a 2 hour for the day. So I might exit or I might hold. I prefer you guys to, exit once it hits a 2 hour. Just don't blame me after that. But until unless it hits a 2 hour, I'm not going to touch anything because either I'll get out at break even or I'll get out at 2 hour. Slightly less, that works sometimes, but not always. We'll see the rules. If we clear anything in silver, silver is looking good though, because we check that, you know, very slow. We did clear this low in silver. It's a problem there. Let's see, so whatever happens. Our index is doing. Indices are not looking good to me at least. Because I was anticipating bearish in indices, like when I saw the chart first. And then because of that 30-minute crack in correlation, thought to go bullish, and then I got another good bro, good evening. I got another crack in correlation from side. So I thought, okay, so let's stick to the bearish. So if the asset is confusing me this much, like if I having this much of confusion with that particular asset, I will definitely prefer to go with other assets where you find some, obvious setups, obvious, clear, kind of setups. That's the only thing how you can make trading yourself easy. Because trading is easy unless you are getting until trading is easy until you are getting those obvious setups daily. The one who finds the obvious setups, if you ask him, he'll definitely say, yeah, trading is easy. You have to just follow one model and punch it on everyday basis. But that's a difficult. It becomes difficult part when you sit on only in front of only single asset, because that single asset will never deliver you the same transaction every day. So just go to the other assets. You get obvious setups there, and there's nothing wrong to with other assets. Okay, is this order block becoming as a problem here. Should not be the problem, but yeah, let's hold whatever happens. Maybe change our plan. Put a tap on opening price 10 a.m. Or we should flip. Rubber order execution illa. You can rewind and see it's a limit execution. Got tap on this candle here. This candle, let me just show execution markings. I got tap on this candle. And that red mark there. This here. 5 minute level gap. Stop seller break even. At the silver. Silver should not give this thing. This should maybe like, it should not give back. We mess the things little. uh, mhm. Let's see. Next candle should dump in silver, or else it will mess the things up. We get that changes rate of delivery in silver and SMT below because of that low has been taken in silver, but gold didn't take that low. This low, basically, which I have marked. We almost reached around, I think, 1 is to 80, 1 is to 85%, like total 85% of 1 is to 2 target. Yeah. Oh, bro, again, correlation. That was my plan was something else in world. So let's stay with what we have here. in oil. So we do have this one stage and C2 closure. But RB looks a little bit different. We did get the closure to this candle in RB. We might get a sweep of this candle as well because this is setting some kind of equal highs up here. So if we get, you know, sweep of this candle, and then we can look for bearish trade in RB or crude oil until unless it's not that much clear for me. I think I have to wait for oil. Gold is a little bit chopping around. We were inside of C3, but it took the C2 low and showing some kind of reversal because of this SMT what we are having. Let me show you that because of this SMT. 30 minutes what we have there. SMT C2 closure we are getting. Yes. Are we reversing of oh, 3,000? We do. We do. That's a problem for gold there. Sorry. Here I should get a break even or I should get 2 hours. Another 41 seconds. I'm very curious to see how this will hold. This order block will hold. If this didn't hold, then we are going to probably stop out. Get stopped out here. What's happening in here? Do we have any continuation crack and correlations? Or no, we would have engaged here, but yeah, 5 minute new candle open and it's at the it's just kind of pushed higher to make it squeak. Do we have crack and correlation? Yeah, we are setting up this SMT here. We do. We are setting up this SMT, but let's see if that SMT holds. To hold if you ask me. So it's a strength switch. Maybe what are we getting? Can I see one? Can I see one position there? Where, bro? Where? Indices are moving against my plan, so I'm not touching. So look at this. We got this sweep and we had this inversion and we straight away, flipping everything there. Yeah, we didn't get that inversion in Q. That's a good part here. but I felt like, going short in indices, so I'm not touching those right now. I already have one position opened in gold, so focusing on managing this. If we get stopped out here, then we can, look for other assets. This high should stay protected if this SMT is holding. At that 30-minute case. Negative condition. I'm just checking. It's like a chart also. Oh, bro, this is gold. This is gold futures. GC is gold futures. Obviously, GC and XAUSD will move the same. Like it's that in the range. Indices are just expanding, so expecting sort of retracement or anything. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. Okay, I think now we'll get stopped out. 15-minute new candle open, and we still do have that uh, SMD up there, but we do have a change in set of delivery in 15 minutes in silver. That's a tricky thing. Yeah, let's hold and see what we got. Flying the NQ, yeah, bro. I mean, my like total plan in NQ was different today. I was looking for very straight, so I didn't touch it. I took this on gold. It almost reached 85% of my target, but it just started reversing because of we had a SMT down with silver. So, yeah, it's a problem. But we do have an internal SMT here. I think that should hold, but we are very near to the we are very near to the break even. So, mhm, yeah, the entry was so clean, but we had a SMT down there, so I still have confidence in to push lower, but I don't want to take unnecessary loss here because it already delivered 85%. We do have a So SMT down there. Stopped out at break even. No need to worry, guys. Still no problem. Now this SMT 30 minutes to closure. Then target these highs. We need another change in setup delivery. Pullback, change in setup. I'm expecting something like, once this high is taken, once this high is taken, we might get some sort of pullback, change in setup delivery. Then we can push higher. Let's see. For indices, yeah, next new 15-minute open. Let's wait for, good pullback here in indices as well because for expansion, you need a retracement, a new phase of price delivery here, a retracement or anything like that. And we can look for. Then what about this stage? We have this one stage in oil. If we can make this very stable, but this low is not yet in. Okay, this should be a trade to take on oil. I think we missed it. No worries. To get a closure, we might not need a closure for this. So, then going on market price, we tap the level. Come on, bro. Where did you replace my order? That's high. Bad fail. Very bad fail. As we don't have any gap there, so we are going to place our SL here. Now, well, noise. See, it's short and easy, but hmm. GC, I had a good entry, but didn't get the full DP. Almost for 85 GC. DP, GC. This looks a little bit tricky. Oil. The only confluence here was RB. RB was pushing high, and we had this two stage here. So that was the only confluence of RB. Still would get it right. Again, bad luck here. I got a pretty, 1 or 2 points of bad feel. But that's okay. Not a big deal. Mhm. Okay, so we are getting retracement in indices. Gold. Yeah, here this high. Enter the new phase of price delivery. Give us a uh, good retracement to look for. But these candles, these 5 minute candles are good rejection candles from this level. I don't know. We even have this SMT down here. It should work. It should work. Zero to R maybe. It should be out to R. Okay. Okay. And this should be our full buy side liquidity. So for now, I'm going to keep it here. I might exit anytime at 2 R. Say that. Now let it be there. I may flip another 28 seconds. 5 minute is looking good, but we need anything to be good for 15 seconds. We need to wait. Mm-hmm. Ah, it's so good if we get this inversion. No, we didn't get that. But like just by default, we didn't get that inversion. Yeah, that's all. Sure. Can do now. What are we doing in B? With more displacement in B, but looking good. Say that B. Would like to see this inversion. Now we have this change in set of delivery. The only thing which can hold the price. Right. If X candle uses a close about this body, you can get a you know good punch higher from here. Let's wait for that to happen. 5 minutes. Yeah, let's wait. No, no. Hmm. Anything else, guys? How was your day? Did you brought any? I mean, see, here's what our practice empty. It 8 and 9:30 and PSP on 30 minutes and trading the 10 a.m. continuation towards the previous day high. Thank has the thank has whatever. I didn't see your message, but you are there. Was busy in you too. I'll definitely answer your question. Let's getting that minute flip. Actually, at a good time, I would say like you have another 10 seconds and we are flipping. If we flip it completely, we'll get a closure for this probably gap. That should be good. We get that or not yet. This should be our break-even point here, this exact point. Because this candle don't have a wick, so goes and taps and forms a wick of that candle. So we are not going to risk on that. Right now we can hold this to somewhere. Yeah, it is safe to be here. Let's be there. So at this 5 minutes after the closure of the Mm. The retracement. This was a retracement. Actually. So, about models. Mm. This is 15 minutes. That's why I'm doing. I'm really excited here. Uh, the match. I was. Okay, so we do have this continuation crack and correlation here. Why I'm again, I'm not going short. Why? What? Symbolism here. But it was last 1 or 2 things. No, I do manually cut it off if we get this change instead of delivery. More than 3 minutes. Another minute. Here we are instead of C3 of 1 hour. That's the number 3. Here we go. It's just fluctuations. We get this CST. We get this. But if you don't, then let it be long. We, we did get that. We got a time. Get this. Don't have this 3 minute week. Now we might, go take this high and then push lower. That can happen because 5 minutes we already have a good change in state of delivery here. Like this. It came up this high. Now the thing is whether this candle will close below this change instead of delivery or not. Now this is important. And it is the option higher. Let's protect this high. You must stop to these lows body. So then I have basically we tap at 10 a.m. opening price, which we should be careful about. Yeah, even if I get this change instead of delivery, that would be so nice for me to pull my stops below this. At least here, I would say this should be my stop for now. But we cleared out this high, which is short-term high for me, and we also tapped the 10 a.m. opening price. So it's better to be safe if we are just wiggling around the opening prices. These kind of price action creates a negative condition where price just moves around the opening price. It goes and touches the opening price, comes back, and then moves away from any random area or any kind of such uh what is this such dragon correlations, and then again wiggles around the you know opening price. So it's always better to be safe while you're trading negative condition. Change 15 minute to 15 minute is looking good. And 5 minute is looking good, but we haven't yet got closure about this fair value gap. So that's the thing what I'm more concerned about. It's 3 minute. Yeah, we did get 3 minute change instead of delivery. That's looking good in 3 minutes. I'm probably getting this 6 1. Look at how this opening price just held the price here 3 times. So if we just get closer about this opening price, we will definitely go and push higher. But we are not getting that closer. That is the thing here. It's already 10:30. Look at the gold topping around after getting that was from break even. Why am looking slow to me? Let this C2 closer and then template C3. For now, let's stick oil. Our risk is almost reduced to more than half. This is sweat, guys. That's the only thing I can do. Let me put some behind and around your break even. We'll get know what will be going. Hmm. Say to and this should do 3 minutes instead of the 3 minute gap here. This 3 minute gap should hold the price. Because even this is zero in the 3 minutes. So each break of this level here, the opening price of this 10 the break of that, then we are getting that. Get here, I clear this high, which means we are going to be break even this break two break evens instead of taking one loss. So, moving very safely. It's a price perfectly. Mm. Here, five people are watching. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to hit the like, share it with your family and friends so that we can increase our engagement and do more giveaways. We will be having one giveaway coming in Discord this month. I'll explain. One of my collaboration partner will make a video on that. I'll share the link on this live stream once he complete his video. And got our entry on this candle, okay? So don't mistake this entry. I just placed it there. Got our entry on this candle. Okay, so we got a good closure. Pretty good. Family doing another 2 minutes. We have close. Let's see. 3 minutes. We have a pretty close here. Maybe I think we even cleared this. We have some small gap here. Let's see if that holds. Have anything there in 5 minutes? We do have 5 minute gap as well. Another minute in 5 minutes. We yeah, if we get a closure about this and here in 5 minutes, that would be so good. I don't think so. Let's see. Take a closure in 5. Oh, nice. Um, even though I think even we inverse this now, this candle could be rebalancing this inversion and then pushing higher, getting support from this inversion, or else at least this bullish candle here. That's- Hmm. The 3 minute closure was pretty well, but not sort of this 3 minute favorable gap. But we did close it, like we did inverse it in 5 minutes. So, but let's see, can't see anything. This breaker should hold up. Hmm. Come on, we're just a couple of ticks away. We tapped in this gap now. Only we have the this gap, guys. Should hold. Yeah, this gap right now to hold, guys. Yes, it will like if this gap gets inverse, it will flush and take these lows. Because this all this is a low resistance liquidity down here. Not good at all. But if this gets inverse and if it comes back into the range, I would probably consider it as uh, oil is ranging right now, and I'll just you know avoid taking trade in oil. We already have a good push. Yeah, at this in this shade of the table. Closing that gap, which is not good. Let's see in 3 minutes. If it can push higher, inside part, and we are closing inside of this now. If we get a closure, at least we should get a closer above this count. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's a risk free, so no need to worry here on that trade. This is okay. So in this is we got C2 closure with this SMT and YM. Let's see. And clear this low once again. And that should be nice. That is because look at this 30-minute here. This is not a breakaway gap. So I think the next 30-minute candle will tap. Then we might look for bullish trades. That's a plan. In gold, we are just shopping around, nothing there. In oil, I don't know. I think we are coming back in range. Probably that's the at least. After getting this huge push up here, we are coming back in range. We will get stop over at break even. Yeah, we did stop out. It's somewhere break even. Look at that. Hmm. Right. Okay, what's the time? It's already 11:15. I think I'll wait till 11. Yes, yes, yes. That is strange. Just 15 minutes and we have time to catch another item. Okay, we got two break evens. That's fine. If we take a look. Okay. Now, please, if here's something in Bayern. Okay, if we didn't get clear this in Bayern. What do we have in uh, okay, 1 hour continuation. This is the thing. We have an against time yet. Even though we didn't sweep this low and we turn out, we can go for it. We can go for that trade. But we have 1 hour continuation, dragon correlation. Mm, Nothing in film. I don't have any. Only thing we have is this Chinese Mirror Theory. I think we are in a top now. What's the time? 11 o'clock. And so cut this one out. And what is the standard? 1 a.m. Right? 11 a.m. open. To get this Chinese Mirror Theory might be this, but it will be so nice if we get the correlation here. Yes, twin. At least we will take this low in yes. Hmm? Edit, edit ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೇವ್ ಐತೆ ಆರ್ಗಂತದೆ to wait guys don't have anything to do. Yeah, yes, shopping market. Okay guys, that's it. I don't see anything right now. The only thing we can do is wait for this gap in NQ. NQ is looking good because the good expansion there. So yeah, we can wait and see what comes. But the time is already 11:30 a.m. maybe 11:30 I think. The time is already 11:30. Let's see, we do have this on stage here. Yeah. Uh, 1451. Yeah. Yeah, you can. This is the indicator here. It's vector model by TTFM. Someone cloned that. Obviously. Even I have the source code. If you guys want it, you guys can join the Discord and I'll post it there for you. But I think I'll post it here tomorrow on chat. Now guys, nothing forming here. We'll be going into again like backend range and consolidating. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. We want tomorrow to break even today, no losses. That's best thing we had. So yeah, great. Yes. And you have this. um, This internal. See if we get a idea about this. Or if he is empty, if this is empty, if we sweep this low, we are going to end the stream. If this low, we did sweep. We didn't sweep here though. We didn't sweep here. We still do have track and correlation. Yes. Let's wait another minute or two. Okay. Wait, that's what we were looking for. We will be going with YM. Yes, back to our or else we might want currently. Or else we'll form some kind of gap and we can push lower higher. Sorry, that can happen. Let's see if we get a gap or not. Thank you straight away pumping. We had a good strength switch in YM, so I thought to, take trade in YM instead of NQ. Yeah, another 4 seconds, we'll have a gap there. So if we get a gap, if we get this gap here, okay, we'll enter from the gap and we'll go stop on body. We'll enter some body. That's how we, squeeze out trades. Okay, 32. Thank you. We don't need that. Right? Whatever. Every question for at this point, we should push higher, I guess, because we also invested this level gap and we are having this level gap. We also got tapped to this change set of delivery there. So I think, yeah, so break even on this high, take that high, and then again, look at growth. Okay, but okay, because this inversion. But let's see, our bias is bullish now. Well, the reason me dropping down to 1 minute is time. So in such lunch hours and all, we might, we might just move around these cold range, whatever we just found here. So just deny that out in 1 minute. We'll capture enough. Maybe 6.9. Okay, we took that high. I put my stops to break even. Now at this point, either we'll get out at break even or we'll just get away from higher and get our TP done. TP. Okay, that's it, guys. It's it today. I wanted to ask you a cockroaches give payout or not. Yeah, they give payout. Cockroaches, which give payout. Do. Bye bye, guys. This is my criteria. So, yeah, yeah. That's it, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye.